Welcome back to Max Car Models. I'm still working on the X-Wing fighter and I've got to the teeny tiny little canopy. Now, a tip I've picked up off the interweb on some of the aviation modelers is the use of bare metal foil for masking out cockpit windows. Apparently they rave for this. They reckon this is probably one of the best methods you can use, so I thought I'd give it a try. So let's have a look and let's zoom into my little work area. There we go. Okay, so let's bring it in. So there's our cockpit. Sorry about this, shaky camera. So if you've used bare metal foil before, it's straightforward. It's the same principle as you do normally. The only difference with this apparently is this gives you really sharp edges. So let's peel off a little bit of bare metal foil and I'm going to stick that over here like so. Get my Q-tip or my cotton bud as they're called in the UK. And I think I can see why these guys are going for this technique already. Compared to masking tape, it seems to be quite good already. We've got all of that. Let's peel this back. It might be a little bit too thick. And what these guys have been saying is, if you want really crisp, sharp edges, then bare metal foil is the way to go. So Q-tip it in. And the next thing they recommend is taking a cocktail stick with a good point and then just running down the edge with the cocktail stick. So I'm going to do this under my viewer. You can see why these guys now use this. And then you take your new, I use scalpels, I use the Swan Morton scalpels. Sorry if this is going a bit off the screen for you. Let's bring it up, let's find out where I am. Here we go. So, zoom out a bit. So now I'm going to basically very carefully. And then peel this back. So, let's have a little bit of lift. Might have to work on that little corner there. You can see why these aviation guys like doing this technique. It is because this bare metal foil literally conforms right in. And there it is, right in there. Absolutely neat as a button. Wow, that's Okay, you may be able to make this out. Let's just turn this light off. It's kind of not going to focus, is it? There you go. And there it is. That's the bare metal foil technique. It takes a little bit of time, but I think that was a lot quicker and a lot easier than using masking tape, which I traditionally use. Even the Tamiya stuff, which is really, really fine, good quality masking tape. So I like that technique. I like it a lot. Well, thanks for stopping by, and I hope I've given you some inspiration there for using bare metal foil on your models. And that looks really good. Really, really impressed with that. And I'll give that a spray over when I do the grey 157 on the top of this as well. So I'll mix a batch of paint together and I'll do all my primary colours together, and we shall see how we get on with that. But yeah, that's right in there. I reckon that's going to be a fantastic finish on there when I finished it. Well, have a good Christmas, take care, and I wish you and your families all the best. Bye bye.